Story 4, page 67. Part 4, Spelling Words. Listen and write the words you hear. Number 1, they. They are from Somalia. They. Number 2, today. Today is Wednesday. Today. Number 3, for. Will they be on time for class? For. Number 4, Monday. Monday. Yesterday was Monday. Number 5, time. What time do you get up? Time. Number 6, put. Put. They put the dishes in the sink. Put. Number 7, school. School. What time do you go to school? Number 8, English. English. Number 9, what? What? What time is it? What time do you get up? What? When you finish, take a picture and send me the picture. Bye.